I am Marcos, and I was raised by my gay dads. Growing up wasn't easy for all of us. Lagi kasing may mga taong judgmental at may bullying involved. Lagi pa nga nilang tinutukso sa akin, kailan daw kami nagse-celebrate ng Parents' Day? Kapag Mother's Day o Father's Day? You see, I was an unwanted child. Ibinenta sa mga parents ko now nung nasa probinsya sila. I never knew my biological parents and I never wanted to. They raised and loved me na parang anak na nila talaga, and they gave me more than everything I could possibly need, and that is more than enough for me. So ang sitwasyon now, I have a girlfriend. And nag-decide kami na ipakilala ang parents ko sa parents niya. Since siya kasi na ipakilala ko na sa aking mga dads, tinanggap siya ng mainit na mga parents ko with loving arms. So happy siya to present hers. But the meeting wasn't what we expected. Habang nagla-lunch kami, her dad left mid-lunch and said, "Sorry, but I can't." Now, although hurt, my parents are trying to calm me down. Pero still, hindi ko pa rin kinakausap yung girlfriend ko. What do I do if they cannot accept the kind of family that I have? Will I continue to be with her because I love her? Or along with her family, shall I put her sa past? Because my family now will always be my family. If they can't accept that part of me, then they don't belong in my world, now or in the future. My love, meeting the folks talaga, meeting the parents won't always go as planned. Kumbaga, syempre parang marami tayong things in mind, parang we would want na both sides mag-click, pero hindi. Magkakaroon sila ng differences. May mga different reactions talaga ang mga parents, and we cannot stop them from being like that. They are our parents. Balik-rin natin yung mundo. We can never choose our parents, just like they can never choose their child. O diba? Balik-rin man yung mundo, kahit gaano tayo kapasaway, sakit sa ulo, bastos sumagot, anak pa rin nila talaga tayo. So, I understand where you're coming from, Marcos, and I love that you are, sabihin na natin, this attached and this close sa parents mo, regardless of their gender and the gender preference. But my love, sabi ko nga sa inyo, parents will always be parents. They have this unconscious na ugali that will always be there, na they only want the best for their child. Nothing more, nothing less. So, kung meron man silang mga reactions na hindi nyo nagugustuhan, or meron silang judgment onto your partners na hindi nyo bet, it's because they want nothing but the best for you. So, ilagay mo na lang siguro sa isipan mo that yung parents ng girlfriend mo are just being parents to her. They want nothing but the best for their child. Yes, I do understand there is judgment that shouldn't been there. Kasi, hindi naman to panahon ni kopong-kopong eh. It's already out there. It's already accepted. There's no question about it. Yung pagmamahal nila is no less than kung paano magmahal yung babae at lalaki na parents. There's no difference really. A parent is a parent, period. Pero, kailangan din natin i-accept that there are some people na we cannot just force our belief to, we cannot just force them to accept. Some people, they need time. Kasi yung ibang tao, they have accepted the concept of it existing, yung gender preference. Tanggap na nila yung nag-exist na sila. But hindi pa sila sure how to deal with it kapag pumasok na sa pamilya nila. And that we have to understand. Diba? That we have to give time to. That we have to compromise a bit. So naiintindihan ko, Marcos, where are you coming from? Naiintindihan ko talaga. As long as wala pa siyang sinasabing kahit anong masasakit na salita at panghuhusga sa parents mo, tama yung parents mo. Hold your horses. Ito ay initial reaction ng parents niya. I don't know kung sinabi ba ni girl beforehand that yan ang family ninyo. I don't know kung kahit papaano ba nakapagkwento na si girl or that's the first time na narinig nila about it and it was the actual first meet. So, baka multiple circumstances played before this incident happened sa meet the parents ninyo. Nagigets mo ako, my love? Baka may mga multiple factors as to why ganun yung naging reaction ng father ng girlfriend mo. Again, communicate with your partner. Kasi tayong mga magulang, sabi ko nga sa inyo, regardless of gender preference, regardless of gender, tayong mga anak na nagpapakilanlan ng mga partners natin sa mga parents or yung partner mo pinapakilala ka sa parents niya at ikaw pinapakilala mo siya sa parents mo, yung opinion nila towards your partner is something that you work through time. Diba? It's a work in progress. Syempre, hindi naman at first meet, hello, hi, welcome to the family with arms wide open. Syempre, kahit papano, diba, may pagtingin yan mula ulo hanggang paa. Syempre, may pagkilatis yan sa ugali. Syempre, may masasabi at masasabi sila kasi, again, they are parents. They want nothing but the best for you. If not perfect, then best para sa'yo. So, you have to understand that they will be nitpicking yung mga ugali na hindi nila gusto or if fine tune nila yung mga bagay na feeling nila sablay, they will find ways in order to make that relationship work for you in a way na nakikita mo yung katotohanan ng partner mo. You get what I'm saying, Marcos? All I'm saying is you guys should be strong enough na hindi lang ligawan ng isa't isa, kundi ligawan din yung mga parents ninyo para magustuhan ang isa't isa. Kasi by love, hindi parents ang mag-a-adjust para sa inyo. That you have to understand. Hindi sila ang iintindi, uunawa para sa inyo. Hindi sila yung lalapit sa inyo para magustuhan nyo sila. It's the other way around. You as her partner must show yung parents niya that one, you are worthy of their daughter. That two, how you've been raised is the exact reason as to why you are great. Kumbaga kung paano ka pinalaki ng gay dads mo is the very reason as to why you are this great man that you are today. And you have to show them that. Ipakita mo sa kanila as to why you are so proud of your parents. Ipakita mo sa kanila na walang kinalaman yung gender preference sa galing ng pagpapalaki ng bata because pinalaki kanila ng tama. Show her parents that your dads raised you well enough to understand sa mga taong hindi pa nakakaintindi. Show them that you were raised with an understanding that's better than an adult's understanding of things, of life, of relationship. The way you react, lahat naman ng anak actually, the way you react is a mirror of how you've been raised. Sa kultura ng Pinas, dito sa Pilipinas, that's how it is. Kung paano ka mag-asal, kung paano ka kumilos, kung paano ka magsalita, kung paano ka makipagkapwa-tao, kung anong ugali mo ay salamin kung paano ka pinalaki. So if you want them to see how great of a parent your dad is. Both of your dads are. Then understand. Mauna ka. Lead the way. Treat this relationship as a baby in an incubator. Handle it with care. Be patient with it. And hope for the best. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Kasi hindi talaga instant ang acceptance sa mundo, my love. As much as we would love to, para sana lahat masaya na lang. Para sana lahat, alam nyo yun, nagmamahala na lang. In a perfect world, that will happen. But in this world, it won't. So you have to give it time. Huwag kang magalit agad. Ipakita mo sa kanila that you are different. That what you've learned being raised by your gay dads is enough or more than enough para ipakita sa kanila na kaya mong umintindi even if others can't and won't, na kaya mong umunawa even if other people won't, na kaya mong maging pasensyoso hanggang matanggap ka kasi mahal mo yung anak nila, kasi that's what your dads taught you. To fight for love, to be patient, learn the word sacrifice, and understand the people who doesn't understand you because you are better than them. Naintindihan mo ko, Marcos? There's still hope in this world when it comes to the word acceptance. Lahat naman tayo work in progress pagdating dyan. So give them chance. Give your relationship a chance. But if every effort fail, o diba, pag lahat na ginawa mo and yet wala pa din, ayaw pa rin nila, then wag na natin ipilit yung mga sarili natin sa mga taong hindi tayo kayang tanggapin. Maybe this relationship, no matter how perfect it may seem, is not really for you. Kasi we should always choose the people na pinipili tayo araw-araw. We should always choose and protect and stay with the people na mahal tayo ng walang humpay. Araw-araw. Walang palya. So Marcos, be patient. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ng mga dads mo, calm down. Acceptance is always a process. It's not a one-night type of thing. Kailangan niya ng time. So, bigay mo sa kanila yung oras. Klaro? Klaro.